Hello, beautiful friends. I believe you know already why I'm here. Yeah, I know, right? So, tonight, we're going to unbox some of the things in here in my Sony Angel bags. Ang iba dito kay already confirmed kasi this bag is a trading box that I got. So, tingnan niyo yung mga previous na mga unboxing ko regarding with this. Simple lang gawin natin. Let's choose. This is a flower series. So, itong nandito is a confirmed figure already. I know what's in here. This is a poppy. Alam nyo kasi, in Sony Angels Trading, what I really love is the story behind the Sony Angels. Itong Sony Angel na ito is that meron akong na-meet na person. Pangalan niya is Adonis. Taga Davao siya. And is very, very good person. At the same time, nahimo na akong siyang friend because of these Sony Angels. So in here, ang nandito is Poppy, which is wala na, dili na ko siya love. Good, dili na ko siya priority. Pero itong first nakita na nako siya in person, nag-unbox niya, kay ganahan ko pagpalit pagid gani niya ani kay dili siya SRP. Pagpalit niya kay mas mahal pa sa original price niya, pero it's okay. But more so, ang pagpalit niya ani nga time is katong nga time na first me nag-met together, na nag Sony Angel hunting me together. More so, ang iyang gi-trade ani sa ako kay ang ako ang lesser panda na pull na ko 1 year ago. So, let's see kung unsa ang iyang condition. Let's see the poppy. Ang ganda niya. I really love it. Thank you so much for watching, you all. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.